You most likely have a number of objectives in mind. Tracking your progress is crucial, whether it's more exercise or reading more books. What if you could accomplish all of this while simultaneously using your calendar app? Google Calendar is a useful app for organizing your objectives and tracking your days. The Goals option in Google Calendar tool allows you to set aside time for essential activities in your life and guarantee that you do them. Goal setting on Google Calendar is easy. You can only create a goal in Google Calendar using your mobile app. You may see and change your objectives using the desktop app on the browser. Step 1. Click on the plus sign in the bottom right corner and then click on the goal option that appears alongside the flag icon. Step 2. For example, start by picking the exercise option. You'll see a series of suggested exercises along with a custom option. Pick walk as a goal for this example. Next, you can choose how often you want to achieve this goal. Choose 5 times a week. Step 3. Let's go with 30 minutes. The final question allows you to select a preferred time of day. Choose the afternoon. Step 4. You will now see a summary of what you've selected, 5 sessions a week, of 30 minutes each in the afternoon. You'll get a reminder, 30 minutes in advance by default, which you can delete if you want. You can even enable or disable smart notifications that ping you before or after your sessions. They will help you prepare your day in a more productive way. Also, you will get an option to fine-tune your goal entry as seen on the screen. If you click on Looks Fine option, the suggested time by calendar is set, and also, you will have an option to adjust time as per your convenience. Step 5. Keeping track of your Google Calendar goals. You can see how many times you have fulfilled a goal on the smartphone version. To do so, simply click on your goal, and the metrics will appear. The little circular graphs will show your progress. Assume you achieved your goal today. When you open your goal, you'll notice a little "Did it" button. When a goal is completed, you may pick it and the calendar will mark it as completed. You should be able to view the progress from the last 4 weeks if you scroll to the left. Even if you started a goal today, you'll be able to see the entire history. Calendar will fill up the preceding weeks with your progress as time passes. Step 6. If required, you may also alter or edit goals in Google Calendar mobile app. Begin by selecting the Edit pencil icon located at the top of the goal view. You have the option of changing the 5 sessions every week. Perhaps the frequency was a bit too frequent for you, and you believe it should be 3 sessions per week, each lasting around half an hour. Simply choose your preferred option, and Calendar will rearrange your desired appointments accordingly. The Google Calendar app is available on almost all Android smartphones, and it is also available for the iPhone. Besides creating calendar appointments, you can effectively track your goals using the app. There's no need for a separate app. There are other goal trackers available that offer more features. However, if you like to keep things simple and light, Google Calendar is the best choice.
Thanks for watching. To stay up to date with our latest videos on business and cool productivity tips, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to your friends and families.